Rai Society of Calgary, Nepalese Literacy Society of Calgary, Kaumudi Calgary, NRNA Canada, Gulmi Samaj Calgary, together with Senior Society Calgary, Alberta Nepal.
Society of Calgary. Society of Calgary. Police Community Society of Calgary. Nepali Pathshala Calgary.
Thank you for joining us in the colorful dresses today.
In Calgary, preserving the traditions, language, and youth and elders alike. Tamudhi actively participates in multicultural events promoting harmony and cultural exchange. Association established in 2003 with the purpose of uniting and binding the Nepali diaspora under one umbrella, a non-governmental organization and network of Nepali origin by establishing National Coordination Council in 85 countries to represent its interests, concerns and commitments. As their belief, once a Nepali, always a Nepali,
नेपाली मेलालाई सहयोग गरिदिनु भएकोमा सहभागी भइदिनु भएकोमा यसरी प्रस्तुतिकरण दिनु भएकोमा हामी हृदयदेखि नै धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद भन्न चाहन्छौं। गुलमेली समाज पछाडि हामी टुगेदर विथ सिनियर्स यहाँहरूले जे गरिरहनु भएको छ हामी धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छौं र मेलामा यहाँहरूको सहभागिताको लागि पनि हामी अनुग्रहित छौं भन्न चाहन्छौं।
to honor their language, music and rituals. It actively promotes youth involvement through cultural workshops and dance programs, ensuring that Magar identity is passed on with pride. The association also collaborates with other Nepali groups to foster unity and cultural exchange. The Tamang community, one of Nepal's oldest and most culturally rich ethnic groups. The society is known for its vibrant celebration of Sonam Losar, where traditional Tamang music, dance,
सबैले ताली बजाएर उहाँहरूलाई स्वागत दिनको लागि अनुरोध गर्दछौं। Wow.
the Nepali community. The indigenous people of the Kathmandu Valley, known for their vibrant festivals, art and cuisine. The society celebrates events like Yenye Puni, Indra Jatra and Ma Puja with traditional music, dance and rituals. Vital role in passing down ancestral knowledge and fostering cultural pride
among the Newa people. Bhairav dance is a living tradition that connects the community to its spiritual.
Colorful festivals like Chhat and Sama Chakeva, the Samaj brings together families to honor centuries-old customs and rituals. It actively promotes the Maithili language, art and literature, including the famous Mithila paintings. The organization also supports women's empowerment and youth engagement through cultural workshops and community service. Which of Calgary represents the Limbu community, one of Nepal's indigenous ethnic groups known for their rich traditions, language and customs. The association celebrates key festivals like Chasok Tangnam and supports the preservation of the Limbu script, culture and identity. It organizes cultural programs, language classes and community gatherings that strengthen intergenerational bonds and promote pride in Limbu heritage. Through active participation in multi-knowledge, advocacy and service. It conducts research on diaspora issues, offers educational workshops, and supports social initiatives that address mental health, youth development, and newcomer integration.
And also Canis, the representatives from Canis Club.
Sagarmatha Sports Club and Social Club is a dynamic organization that blends athletic excellence with community service. Named after the majestic Mount Everest, the club aims high, organizing cricket, volleyball and futsal tournaments that unite players from across Calgary. Beyond sports, Sagarmatha, Calgary's most exciting cricket teams representing the Nepali community with passion and power. known for their competitive spirit and sportsmanship.
छौँ र त्यस पछाडि हामी फर्मल इनागुरेसन प्रोग्रामतिर जाँदैछौँ र I would like to request the Filipino community to pass on through the stage, in front of the stage. Yeah.
Calgary.
धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद पञ्चेबाजा